Well, good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday.
Closed.
8:30 today. We're starting our class. Me and Dylan. We'll see who else is there, okay?
Michigan now for this class, and apparently there's going to be a class here. Came rolling up, and the parking lot's kind of empty. So, but the sign there says B squared pools, so we're definitely in the right spot. But yeah, so let's get in there and see what happens.
2-inch overlap. You didn't see the phone ring, right?
Nope.
Yeah, so they didn't call.
Yeah.
Yo, watch this. I can rip a vinyl liner with my bare hands. Watch this. Hogan ain't got nothing on me.
70 gauge, maybe.
Hogan ain't got nothing on me, brother.
There you go. Ooh, buddy, high five. It's all right.
Steve's turn.
Buddy, high five. Yeah.
I'll take that.
Atta boy. There you go.
Snip it for him.
Boom. Yeah.
It's not good.
All right, so I just want to demonstrate what we're doing. So we are welding on a bead right there. So now this is the coping track. So the piece would slide right into the tracks like so. Can't come out. Yeah. What's that, buddy?
They finished up at 3:30.
You guys in action, or I'll send it to her, you, whatever.
Oh.
That's awesome. Fabulous. Oh my goodness. Whoops. Oh, that was a video. We don't need a video. Okay.
We need
Sorry?
to get closer, you got us all.
No, that's great. That's fantastic. So, chest out, big smiles. 1, 2, 3.
All right, what attempt is this now?
Oh, shit. What? 4, 5, maybe?
So, chest out, big smiles. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, just keep watching this program. It's great, and I might be on it again if it comes.